seriously? Ow! Jeez. Do that spin attack. Ow. Really jump on him. No. Jeez. Don't twist my arm next time. Okay. It's just the best. Stop bragging. Yeah, I'm truly the best. Stop it. Huh? No. Ah! Ah! Oh, what happened? Huh? Whoa! Who are you? I'm Super Cat. Super Cat. Oh. Super Cat. Defender of this place. Who are you? I'm just Red Eagle. Red Eagle Ranger. I'm the destroyer of this place. Well, I'm the defender. Friends are here too. Ah! Find out in the next part of how strong is Red Eagle Ranger and how light and what and how Super Cat's supposed to defeat him. Find out on the next part of Super Cat the movie.